The era of the smartphone is officially ending, not slowly, not gradually, but structurally. The apps you open every day, they're dying, and replacing them is an invisible AI agent living inside your smart glasses. Imagine never opening Instagram, never searching Google, never checking maps, because your AI already knows what you need. Welcome to the death of the interface. Stay till the end, because what I'm about to show you will change how you think about technology forever. For the last 15 years, we've lived inside rectangles. Tap, swipe, scroll, repeat. The iPhone revolutionized computing back in 2007. Companies like Apple, Google, and Meta built trillion-dollar ecosystems on one simple behavior, opening apps. But here's the problem. Apps are reactive. They wait for you. They require input. They create friction. Every single notification pulls you out of the real world. Every app demands a piece of your attention. We optimize for screen time. But what if computing didn't require a screen at all? Smart glasses are no longer science fiction. Devices like the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses, the Apple Vision Pro, and Google's next-gen R prototypes are signaling something much bigger than just wearable hardware. They aren't just building new gadgets, they're building the platform for autonomous AI agents, not apps, agents. So what's the difference? Apps wait for commands, agents anticipate intent. Instead of opening your Maps app, typing in a destination, and then checking traffic, imagine your AI agent just whispering in your ear, leave in 12 minutes to avoid congestion. Instead of searching for information, comparing prices, and reading hundreds of reviews, your agent simply says, this product has better ratings and is 15% cheaper across the street. The shift is massive. Software becomes invisible. Hardware becomes transparent. The agent becomes the operating system. The future OS won't look like iOS or Android. It will look like nothing because it lives inside your perception. Your personal AI agent will understand your schedule, analyze your biometric data, track your habits, learn your preferences, and eventually predict your decisions. It will become your memory extension, your personal navigation system, your financial advisor, your communication assistant, and your real-time security filter, and it will operate quietly, subtly, in your line of sight. This isn't just augmented reality, this is hyper-augmented reality. Imagine walking into a room and seeing names floating subtly over people you've met before, or seeing real-time translation subtitles appear as someone speaks a different language. Picture investment insights flashing during a business meeting, or live nutritional breakdowns of the meal you're about to eat. Your perception becomes layered with intelligence, not in an overwhelming way, but seamlessly, invisibly. But let's be honest, every revolution has a dark side. When intelligence becomes ambient, the questions explode. Who owns your perception? Who controls the data flowing into your brain? Can advertising literally invade your eyesight? And what happens when an AI predicts you better than you know yourself? If smartphones changed our behavior, smart glasses are poised to change our very cognition. So, why is all of this happening now? Three powerful forces are colliding. First, AI models are becoming multimodal and context-aware, able to understand not just text, but images, sounds, and the world around you. Second, lightweight hardware is improving at an incredible pace, becoming smaller, more powerful, and more comfortable. And third, society is reaching a tipping point of screen fatigue. We're ready for frictionless computing. The interface is dissolving. The agent is rising. This is not just another gadget cycle. This is the fundamental shift from using tools to collaborating with partners, from staring at screens to augmenting perception. And if you understand this transition early, you won't just use the future, you'll get to build in it. If you want deep breakdowns on AI, future tech, and how to position yourself before everyone else catches on, subscribe now. Because the next revolution won't be in your pocket, it will be on your face.